Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we were going to be removing and installing the hood latch in a 2016 Ram 1500 pickup. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. You're going to open the hood right under your steering wheel. This little lever pops the hood. The hood safety latch is right here. You're going to pull it to the left, pull up. We're going to pull this panel off. There's some clips. You're going to use a clip tool to get underneath here. There's one over here too. It's easier if you go under it and pry up on it. You could go underneath the clip and pry, but sometimes you break the clip. So we'll just go underneath it, pry up. That up, and we'll just pull this off and pull it out of the way. Before we pull the latch off, we're going to mark it with a felt tip pen. I'm going to get in here. We'll mark it over here. So that when we take it out, it'll be in the similar location as when we put it in. Disconnect this connector. There's a little lock tab here. If you use a flat blade tool, a screwdriver, you can pull that red tab out, and then we're going to use our thumb and push down on the lock and pull it out. All right, with this connector out, I can use my felt tip pen and mark right here. Get a better marking of that. Now I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Take this bolt out. There's two bolts that hold this on. One here and then one over here. Once they're broken free, you can kind of take them out by hand. That out. Pull this up, twist it around. I can use some needle nose pliers, and on this there's a little lock for the cable. Squeeze that and you can pull the cable through, and then you can pull it up that way and pull that little ball out, and there's your latch. To reinstall this, we'll take the cable, and this lock goes right through there. And then you're going to slide it through here for that lock. I'm going to line this back up with our marks. Put the bolts back in. Before I tighten these down, I want to make sure it's lined up with where I took it off. Check over here on this one. Make sure that's lined up. And I can tighten down the bolts. Snug those down. So then I can reconnect the connector and then push down the lock. We're going to close it and test it, make sure it works. Make sure everything's lined up. Looks like the hood is lined up good. We'll reopen it. That pops up good. It works good. Next we're going to put this cover on. Get all the holes lined up for the push pins. Push those in. And then right there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.